Hi children, how are you? This is your maths teacher of second class. In previous class, we are learning about that. Let's look back. First chapter, page number 5. So in this page number 5, we are going to ones digit places. So see that. Suppose I am writing 27. What is the number is this? 27. In 27, here 7 is called a ones place. O-N-E-S, ones. And 2 is called a tens. So, here 7 is in ones digit, 2 is in tens digit. So, place value of ones digit is into 1. That is place value. Place value of 7 is, what is that? 7. And another one, place value of 2 is, here 2, place value, this is in tens digit. So, 2 into 10, 2 10 are 20. Why? Because we are writing in, this is in ones place. So, 7 into 1, 7. Tens place, 2 into 10, 20. 100 place, 2 into 100, 200. You know, now we are going to the face value. Face value means you write the number only. Don't product with 1, 10, 100, 1000. So, face value. Face value of 7 is, face value of 7 is, what is that? 7. Face value of 7 is, what is that? 7. Now, another one. Face value of 2 is. Face value of 2 is, what is that? 2. Don't product with, this is in 100 place, tens place, don't look it. Only you write the digits only. You are observing place value and place value, face value. Place value of 7 is 7. Here also face value of 7 is 7. In one digit it is same. But place value of 2 is in tens place. So place value of 2 is, what is that? 20. And face value of 2 is, what is that? 2. So page number 5 already I am given that. 4th bit and 5th bit. Now, once see in your textbook, page number 6. Open the page number 6. Here observing the 6th bit. Write the number names. 6th bit, what is that? Write the number names. Write the number names. Write the number names. So here giving us A 36 given and B 46. 4 6, what is that? 46. C 65. D 54. E 68. F 72. So see that. Write the number names. Already you know that how can you write that number names. So first we are going to that. What is the first number giving us? 36. 36 is called a 36. 36 is 36. So 36 number names writing 30. T H I R T Y 36. What is the spelling of 6? S-I-X 6. 36. 36. 36. And here observe that 6 number name. Here 6 5 means 5 is in ones place, 6 is in tens place. So, but you are writing number name 6 5. How can you write as 6 5? 65. SIXTY 60. Yeah, 5 V 5. What is the number name here? 65 is 65. Now we are going to that 6 8. How can you write as 6 8? 6 8 68. 6 8, what is that? 68. 60. What is the spelling of 60? SIXTY 60. EIGHT. So this is the number name of 36, 40, 65, 68. These are observed that 4 6. What do you say that 4 6? 46. 46. FORTY 40. This is the 40 spelling. 6 SIX 6. 46. Now we are going to the 5 4. 5 4 is written as 54. What is the spelling of 50? FIFTY 50. For neatly write down. Neatly write down in your textbook. Only use with pencil. 72. 72. 72. What is that? 72. 70 spelling. Yes. CVENTY 70. TWO 2. 72. One series children. This is the number names of given numbers. Write in your notes. Now we are going to the 7th bit. Can I write? See. What is the 7th bit? Write the following numbers. Write the following. Write the following numbers. First you read the bit. Write the following numbers in numerals. That means you write only numbers, numerals. So what is giving us here? First, I am telling about only here ACE. Remaining bit you done your textbook. In your textbook only. TWENTY. What is the TWENTY? 20. TWO 2. 22. And C is 42. And E is 78. So you observe that remaining are BC is there. B 30. And C is 54. D is 96. See, 22. How can you write as 22? First you read with spelling. TWENTY 20. TWO 2. 22. 22. How can you write as 22? And here 42. FORTY 40. TWO 2. 42. 78. SEVEN 7. TY 70. EIGHT 8. 70. 7 8 78. Remaining B, C, D are homework. So 30, 54, 96. This is your homework. Now we are going to that what comes before and after. Note it. So we are going to that 8th bit. What comes before and after? So first one, A dash 12, B dash 24. Here observe that A dash, here dash. 1 minute. B question dash dash. Before and after. And C is giving us dash 76 dash. D is dash 39 dash. E is dash 48 dash. F is dash 84 dash. These are the questions for you. So here observe that what comes and after. What comes and after. Comes after. After means after the number. Before front of the number. So here observe that dash 12 dash. 12 come before. So what is the before number here? 12 before 11. And 12 after number is what is that? 13. Once read as 11, 12, 13. What is that? 11, 12, 13. Now once observe this one 24. 24 before number is what is that? 24 before number. Right. 23. 2, 3, 23. Don't confuse it. Before number, after number. 24 after number, what is that? 2, 5, 25. 2, 5, 25. Once up read as 23, 24, 25. Now observe the C1. What is the C giving us here? Dash 76 dash or box. In your textbook box is given. So 76 before number. Before number. What is that? 75. 75. 76 after number. 77. Remaining these are in your textbook. Children, once observe that what comes before and after. Before after numbers you write in your notebook. Got it? Remaining D, E, F are homework. What is the number? 39, 48, 84. Now we are going to the what comes between. Children, must and should be you read the bit name. If you don't read the bit name, then you can't do that problems. First you read perfectly what is the bit giving us. So here 9th bit. What is that? What? W-H-A-T, what is it? What comes between? What comes between? So here giving us some questions. A 25 dash 27. B 48 dash 50. C 62 dash 64. D 63 dash 65. E 76 dash 78. F 92 dash 94. Children, here observe that what comes between number, what is that? So here 25 dash 27. Here 25, 27 between number is what is that? 26. 2 6 26. And another one. Over 8. 48. 48 dash 50 50. 48 50. Before number what is that? 49. Now we are going to the third one. 62 dash 64. 62 64. Between number what is that? 63. So remaining D, E, F for homework. Doing your textbook page number 6. Now we are going to the less than, greater than, is equal. So here less than, this is called a less than, and another one is, this symbol is called a greater than, and this symbol is called a equal. Once observe this children, 6, 10. Put the symbol in between them. So here 6 is a smaller number, 10 is a bigger number. Which is the bigger number here? 10. So we keep the symbol this like open place, bigger number, closing corner is small number. Just remember that only. So here writing small number, here writing big number. Here also big number, small number. So I am writing this one also. So which is the bigger number in both one? 10. So open it. That means greater than. Here is less than symbol, here is greater than. Why? Because numbers are changing. Suppose I am write 5 dash 5. Which is the greater number? They are both are equal. So you keep the symbol is equal. So children, in your textbook page number 6, 10th bit is that homework. Once see the 10th bit. So 10th bit. Put greater than, less than, equal between them, between the numbers, between the numbers. So here giving us only A, B only telling that 9 dash 19 and B is 16 dash 61 and C is 62 dash 41. Answer. What is the number giving us here? 9. And this number is 19. Which is the greatest one in both? 19. So you keep the symbol, is it less than or greater than? Less than. Open place, big number. And 1661. Once after the 1661, which is the greatest number? 61. So here also keep the symbol is greater than or less than? Less than. Now 62 41. Which is the greatest number in both one? 62. Why? Because 10 plus 6 here 10 plus is 4 only. So this is the greatest number 62. So you keep the symbol in this one line. This is the greater than. And 11th bit, the circle the greatest number. Which is the greatest number? You observe that 48, 19, 35, 56. Simple, you only keep the circle. Children, now we are going to the 11th bit. Circle the greatest number. So here are the first one 48, 19, 35, 56. Which is the greatest number in all the four numbers? 48, 19, 35, 56. Once observe that 10's place is 4, 10's place is 1, 10's place is 3, 10's place is 5. Which is the greatest number in all that one? 5. So 56 is the greatest number. You keep the circle. So children, 6th page totally do your textbook page number 6. Thank you children. Have a nice day.